Could we ever imagine a world where artificial intelligence isn't just a figment of science fiction, but a reality that revolutionizes the way businesses operate and market their products? This question may seem far-fetched, yet it's the reality we find ourselves in today. Consider the journey of a small business that once struggled to keep up with the rapidly evolving digital landscape. Their operations were manual, time-consuming, and fraught with inefficiencies. Then, they discovered the transformative power of AI. This was not by chance, but thanks to a visionary course called AI Revolution 2, led by the renowned internet marketing guru Simon Coulson. This course illuminated the path for the business, showing them how to harness the power of AI in a way that was affordable and practical. They learned to automate their social media content creation, freeing up precious time to focus on strategic planning and customer engagement. They tapped into AI tools for book writing and cover design, opening up new avenues for content creation and branding. They even cloned voices for video delivery, adding a unique, personalized touch to their marketing campaigns. But the journey didn't stop there. The business integrated AI functionality into automated sequences, streamlining their operations and boosting productivity. They created bots and software tools that not only improved efficiency, but also enhanced their customer service. The business was transformed, growing and thriving in ways they could never have imagined. The course didn't just provide them with the tools and strategies, it also sparked their imagination. They saw the potential in prompt engineering, automation, app creation, and began to dream of the future of AI. They were inspired by the 10 AI business opportunities presented by Coulson, from becoming a social media agency, a graphic designer, a book writer, to an AI consultant, a chatbot creator, and even an affiliate marketer. This business isn't alone in their journey. Many others have tapped into the power of AI and are reaping the benefits. They are staying ahead of the AI wave, investing in AI training, and transforming their businesses in ways they never thought possible. Now imagine the possibilities for your own business. Envision the transformation that could occur if you too tapped into the power of AI. It's not just a dream, it's a reality that's within your grasp. So, don't wait. Embrace the AI revolution. Sign up for the AI Revolution 2 course today and start your journey towards a more innovative, efficient, and successful business. Remember, the future of business lies in AI, and the future is now.